Walnut, apple, chickpea and kale salad with maple mustard dressing. Prepare the ingredients. Roughly chop 4 handfuls of kale, finely shred 1/4 of a red cabbage, grate 2 zucchinis, thinly slice 1 celery stick, thinly slice 2 apples into thin crescents, finely slice 1 ripe avocado, finely chop 1 handful of parsley. Place all the ingredients into a bowl with 1 cup of walnuts and 3 cups of cooked chickpeas and toss. For the dressing, place in a jar 1/4 cup of maple syrup, 1/4 cup of water, 1 tablespoon of tahini, 1 teaspoon of grain mustard, the juice of 1 lemon and salt and pepper to taste. Screw on the lid and shake well to combine. Pour the dressing over the salad, mix well and serve.